1. 1972 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $14,000, located, Farmingdale, New York. This 1972 Chevrolet Vega is a purpose-built street-legal drag car that delivers serious performance while maintaining everyday drivability. Built as a custom Nova Wagon drag car, this vehicle has been carefully assembled with quality components designed for both track and street use. The body is reported to be straight and solid, while the attractive green paint finish gives the car a clean appearance that stands out wherever it goes. Power comes from a strong pump gas 383 cubic inch small block engine paired with a professionally prepared turbo 400 automatic transmission built by Freddie Brown. The transmission includes a trans brake system for consistent launches and improved drag strip performance. A narrow 12-bolt rear axle mounted on ladder bars helps transfer power efficiently to the pavement. Additional performance features include a professionally installed 10-point roll cage for added safety and structural strength. The car has previously recorded impressive 10.1-second quarter-mile times on motor alone. Combining reliability, proven performance, and legal street registration, this Chevrolet offers an excellent opportunity for any drag racing enthusiast. Subscribe to Fun Classic Cars for more amazing classic cars, hot rods, muscle cars, and rare automotive finds. 2. 1974 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $35,000, located, Perry, Michigan. This 1974 Chevrolet Nova is a highly modified muscle car built to deliver exceptional straight-line performance and aggressive street presence. Finished to a very high standard, this Nova combines classic Chevrolet styling with serious big block power and numerous performance upgrades throughout the vehicle. The car presents in excellent condition and has been carefully maintained by its owner. Under the hood is a powerful 402 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine that provides impressive horsepower and torque. The engine is paired with a dependable automatic transmission equipped with a 2700 stall converter, creating a combination that performs exceptionally well both on the street and at the drag strip. Power is transferred through a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with 3.70 gears. The vehicle features a professionally tubbed rear section, allowing the use of wider rear tires for improved traction and stability. Numerous additional upgrades contribute to the car's overall performance and appearance. This 1974 Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a classic American muscle car with proven performance and an unmistakable presence. 3. 1974 Chevrolet Vega Wagon. Price, $19,500, located, Appleton, Wisconsin. This 1974 Chevrolet Vega Wagon is a rare pro street build that carries an impressive history within the American hot rodding community. Known for being featured on the cover of Hot Rod magazine in 1980, this distinctive wagon represents a unique piece of performance car culture. Finished in green with a black interior, the vehicle maintains a bold appearance while showcasing classic pro street styling. The car has been built with performance in mind and remains in very nice condition. Its aggressive stance, wide rear tire setup, and custom modifications create a look that immediately attracts attention at car shows, cruise nights, and automotive events. The automatic transmission provides comfortable operation while allowing the vehicle to be enjoyed both on the street and during special occasions. With approximately 10,000 miles driven, this Vega wagon continues to offer strong visual appeal and collectible value. The combination of magazine history, custom craftsmanship, and classic pro street character makes this Chevrolet an outstanding choice for enthusiasts looking to own a memorable and highly recognizable custom vehicle. 4. 1971 Chevrolet Rally Nova. Price, $32,500, located, Cedar Springs, Michigan. This 1971 Chevrolet Rally Nova is a well-preserved American muscle car that combines classic styling with dependable performance. Finished with the desirable Rally Nova appearance package, this vehicle maintains the aggressive character that made the Nova one of Chevrolet's most respected performance models of the era. The car is reported to be in very good condition and has been carefully maintained to provide reliable driving enjoyment. Power comes from a mild 396 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine that runs comfortably on regular 87-octane fuel, making it practical for cruising and weekend driving. The engine is paired with a dependable turbo 350 automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifts and proven reliability. A durable 12-bolt rear axle equipped with 3.08 gears helps provide excellent highway manners while still offering strong acceleration when needed. The vehicle runs and drives exceptionally well and remains a great example of a classic Nova. Whether displayed at local car shows or driven on weekend cruises, this rally Nova offers timeless muscle car appeal and enjoyable performance. 5. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle 300. Price, $65,000, located, Rockford, Illinois. This 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle 300 is an extraordinary high-performance street and strip machine that has been owned by the same enthusiast for more than 3 decades. Built with serious racing components while remaining street-driven, this Chevelle combines classic muscle car styling with exceptional horsepower and proven track performance. The vehicle features an all-steel body with the exception of the hood and trunk lid, while the original steel components are included with the sale. At the heart of the build is a dark block 540 cubic inch engine equipped with premium internal components and an 8-71 Dyer supercharger. The combination has produced an impressive 887 horsepower at the rear wheels on pump gasoline with moderate boost. Power is transferred through a manually shifted TH400 transmission and a Dana 60 rear axle fitted with 4.11 gears. Additional highlights include a 4-link rear suspension, strange adjustable shocks, MSD ignition, professional wiring, and a certified chromoly roll cage. This Chevelle has recorded an impressive 8.52 second quarter-mile pass at over 160 miles per hour. 6. 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Pro Street. Price, $12,000, located, Kimball Township, Michigan. This 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Pro Street is a bold custom build designed for enthusiasts who appreciate aggressive styling and serious horsepower. Featuring a classic Monte Carlo body combined with proven drag racing components, this vehicle offers a unique blend of street presence and performance capability. The car remains in good condition and is ready for its next owner to enjoy. Power is provided by a powerful 427 cubic inch small block stroker engine producing approximately 700 horsepower. The engine is paired with a dependable turbo 375 automatic transmission, creating a combination capable of delivering impressive acceleration. A Ford 9-inch rear axle provides durability and strength for handling the vehicle's substantial power output. One of the most noticeable features is the massive rear tire setup measuring approximately 18.5 inches wide and 31 inches tall, giving the car its unmistakable pro street appearance. The fiberglass front end can be completely removed within minutes, allowing easy access to mechanical components. This Monte Carlo represents an affordable opportunity to own a classic American pro street machine with impressive performance potential. 7. 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price, $26,500, located, Williamstown, New Jersey. This 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street is a professionally modified performance car built to deliver exceptional power and unmistakable style. Finished in custom green paint with a unique purple interior, the vehicle stands out from ordinary Camaros and reflects the creativity and craftsmanship invested in the build. The car remains in excellent condition and offers a thrilling driving experience for experienced enthusiasts. Under the hood is a powerful 383 cubic inch stroker engine equipped with a 6-71 supercharger. This proven combination provides outstanding horsepower and impressive throttle response. The engine is paired with a Jericho 4-speed manual transmission, a respected choice among performance enthusiasts due to its durability and precise shifting characteristics. The vehicle has been carefully tuned to run and drive well while maintaining the aggressive personality expected from a pro street Camaro. The custom paintwork further enhances its visual appeal and ensures it attracts attention at every event. Combining supercharged performance, manual transmission excitement, and show-quality presentation, this Camaro is an outstanding example of a classic American street machine. 8. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $25,000, located, Orwigsburg, Pennsylvania. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a powerful street machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate classic muscle car styling and strong V8 performance. Finished in green with a black interior, this Nova presents well and has been upgraded with numerous new components to improve reliability and overall driving enjoyment. The vehicle offers an excellent balance of performance, appearance, and street manners. Power comes from a 383 cubic inch stroker engine producing more than 500 horsepower. The engine is paired with a Monte 4-speed manual transmission, providing a highly engaging driving experience and direct control over the car's impressive power. A heavy-duty rear axle helps transfer power effectively while maintaining durability. Recent upgrades include a new fuel cell, new leaf springs, new traction bars, new wheels, new tires, and a new radiator. The vehicle has also received a high-rise intake manifold and a performance racing carburetor to further enhance engine output. Reliable, fast, and exciting to drive, this Nova is ready for cruising, car shows, and weekend performance events. 9. 1984 Ford Mustang Fox Body. Price, $25,000, located, Hermione, Pennsylvania. This 1984 Ford Mustang Fox Body is a street and strip machine built to deliver extreme performance while retaining full street legality. Featuring the highly desirable T-top body style, this Mustang has been extensively modified with premium racing components and is capable of producing approximately 1,200 horsepower on moderate boost. The vehicle is fully titled and designed for serious enthusiasts seeking exceptional straight-line performance. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged big-block Chevrolet engine professionally built by NYES Race Engines. The combination includes a Merlin 4-block, Brodix BB3 cylinder heads, and a CSU blow-through Dominator carburetor. The engine was refreshed recently and remains in excellent operating condition. Power is delivered through a Turbo 400 transmission equipped with a billet valve body capable of second-gear launches. Additional features include a reinforced 8.8 rear axle with strange components, Viking double adjustable shocks, adjustable 4-link suspension, MSD grid ignition management, boost control systems, and advanced data logging capabilities. This Fox Body Mustang represents a serious race-ready build with outstanding performance potential and impressive engineering throughout. 10. 1989 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z. Price, $20,000, located, Chesterton, Indiana. This 1989 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z is a highly modified street and strip performance car that combines modern LS power with classic third-generation Camaro styling. Finished in white and backed by a clean title, this vehicle has been carefully upgraded to provide exceptional performance while maintaining street-driven reliability. The result is an exciting machine capable of handling both cruising and competitive performance events. Under the hood is an LQ4 LS-based engine specifically built for turbocharged applications. The combination utilizes a VS Racing 7875 turbocharger and a Holley Terminator X management system, producing strong performance even at conservative boost levels. Power is transferred through a Tremec T56 Magnum 6-speed manual transmission fitted with a heavy-duty spec 6-buck clutch. The chassis features frame connectors, QA1 double adjustable suspension components, Corvette brake calipers, drilled and slotted rotors, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle with 4.10 gears. Additional upgrades include a MagnaFuel fuel system and high-capacity fuel injectors. This Camaro offers modern performance technology wrapped in a timeless American muscle car package. 11. 1966 Chevrolet Nova 2 doorpost. Price, $100,000, located, Williamston, Michigan. This 1966 Chevrolet Nova 2 doorpost is an extraordinary show-quality build designed without compromise. Combining professional craftsmanship, premium components, and extreme horsepower, this Nova represents one of the most impressive custom vehicles available. With fewer than 700 miles since completion, the car remains in exceptional condition and has earned major awards at prestigious automotive events. Power comes from a ZZ632 fuel-injected Chevrolet engine producing approximately 1,000 horsepower while still operating on pump gasoline. The engine is paired with a professionally built TH400 manual valve body transmission and a Fab 9 rear axle equipped with 4.11 gears. The chassis features a full Chris Alston tube frame and Racecraft front clip for maximum strength and performance. Additional highlights include strange coilover suspension, Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes, custom TIG welded exhaust, and premium RC component wheels. The vehicle has won Best of Show honors against more than 1,000 competitors, reflecting the outstanding quality of the build. This Nova is a true collector-grade performance machine. 12. 1974 Oldsmobile Omega. Price, $20,000, located, White Cloud, Michigan. This 1974 Oldsmobile Omega is a rare and highly modified muscle car powered by a carefully built small-block Chevrolet engine. Finished in blue with a black interior, the vehicle combines classic 70s styling with serious performance upgrades and excellent road manners. The car is clean, solid, and reported to be approximately 95% rust-free. The 406 cubic inch engine features a balanced rotating assembly, 10:1 compression ratio, solid lifter performance camshaft, roller rockers, aluminum racing cylinder heads, and a high-volume oiling system. Power is transferred through a Super T10 close ratio 4-speed manual transmission and a heavy-duty performance clutch. A 10-bolt positraction rear axle with 3.08 gears provides excellent cruising capability while maintaining strong acceleration. Additional upgrades include front disc brakes, front and rear sway bars, aluminum radiator, MSD ignition system, Team G intake manifold, performance carburetor, and a complete set of auto meter gauges. Fast, reliable, and enjoyable to drive, this Omega offers impressive performance and distinctive character for muscle car enthusiasts.